Hello, and welcome to our True Believers production channel. I'm glad you found it. Now that you found it, we're going to give you some real good footage to look at. I want to give you just a few highlights from one of our previous videos of our last stage play, Devil I'm Not For Sale. This is just a few of the original songs that we did on stage, because we're getting ready to do it again. We're getting ready for Mimon's Ratchet Barbecue. If you want to get some more of this content, won't you like and subscribe to our channel? Now, Mimon and I, both us, we check those comments, and we will get back with you real soon. Just check out this footage on today and tell me if you like it. At the end, I'm going to give you some information about our upcoming show.
How can I be a guest in my own house? I just feel so alive here. I can't stand being at that other dump. Sometimes I just wish that place would burn down to the ground with everybody in it. Ada, don't think like that. It's just that every day I wake up, the woman who calls herself my mom is drunk and passed out. And when I get home from school, that drunk is somewhere in the street. And my dad, why does he work so much? You know, I think that's just his excuse to get away from me. You know, I'm just so glad I have a mom and dad over here. Sometimes I just need a hug. Sometimes I just need to get away. Nobody ever knows.
take your hands off of Jada. Loose her and set her free. And watch over the inhabitants of this household, Lord. Keep them safe, Jesus. Lord, I need you. I humble in your presence. I bow before your glory. I lift my hands in worship. I worship you, oh God. I humble in your presence. I bow before your glory. I lift my hands in worship. I worship you, oh God. Oh Lord, we need you. Lord, we need you. Lord, we need you right now. Oh Lord, we need you. Lord, we need you. Lord, we need you right now. I humble in your presence. I bow before your glory. I lift my hands in worship. I worship you, oh God. I humble in your presence. I bow before your glory. I lift my hands in worship. I worship you, oh God. Oh Lord, we need you. Lord, we need you. Lord, we need you right now. Oh Lord, we need you. Lord, we need you. Lord, we need you right
All right, now that you watched those highlights, I hope that you liked it. If you did, won't you go down there and hit the like button down at the bottom, as well as go ahead and subscribe. If you didn't subscribe at first, go ahead and subscribe and write a comment. We value our fans' feedback, and we get back with you as soon as possible. I do want to let you know about our upcoming stage play, Mima Ratchet Barbecue. It's gonna be at Theater Works at 2085 Monroe Avenue, right here in Memphis, Tennessee. That's right here in Memphis, Tennessee. You can still get your tickets. I'm letting you know now, if this is still August and you're watching this video, then you have an opportunity of getting our early bird tickets. They're on sale on our website, tbproduction.biz, and just go on there, but it's only available for the Saturday show. So go on there and you can get your tickets right now. But if it is already past August and it's in September, then it's at regular price. All tickets are $30. We look forward to seeing you at our show.